Good evening, Sanjay. Here is your question as asked by you. It is related to chemical equilibrium. The question is stated the reaction when N2 reacts with O2 to give 2NO contribute to air pollution, whereas a fuel is burnt in air at high temperature, that is at 1500 Kelvin, and equilibrium constant is given as you have taken 1 into 10 to the power 5, which is 10 to the power minus 5. N2 is equal to 0.80, O2 is equal to 0.20. It is given the concentration. It is given the concentration of dinitrogen and dioxygen before any reaction occur. It means the initial value is given as 0.80 and 0.20. We have to find the equilibrium concentration of the reactants and the product, that is N2, O2 and 2NO. Now according to the given equation, we can say that when 1 mole of nitrogen react with 1 mole of oxygen, it will give 2 mole of NO, that is nitrogen monoxide or nitrogen oxide. Simply, if nothing is given, if the coefficient is 1, we can take it as 1 mole. For oxygen it will be 1 mole, and here if we are balancing it is 2, so it will be 2 mole. Suppose if we are taking X initially for N2, that will be same as X for O2, that is mole. X mole of N2 reacts with X mole of O2, it will give 2X mole of NO. Now let's proceed to the question. What is given over here, that N2 gas reacts with O2 gas under equilibrium condition to give 2NO gas. Now here initially it is given that concentration of N2 is 0.80 and that of O2 is 0.20. So initially there is no reaction, the concentration of NO will be 0. Now this is at t is equal to 0, when time is taken as t is equal to 0. But after some time there will be some dissociation. Suppose that dissociation is taken as x. After some time at equilibrium condition, some dissociation X has taken place. Now initially it was 0.80. Now at time t is equal to t, if X amount is dissociated, now it will be 0.80 minus X, and that will be 0.20 minus X. Now if this is X mole and this is X mole dissociated, now total mole obtained at NO will be 2X. Simply X mole is dissociated over here and X mole over here, so total it is 2NO, so it will be 2X mole. Now this is the initial concentration. Now according to equilibrium constant, we know that Kc is equal to, that is concentration of product upon concentration of reactant. So if you write Kc, it will be NO. Now the coefficient moves to power, that will be 2 upon, that will be reactant concentration, that is N2 and O2's concentration. Now from the given condition, it is given that Kc is equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 5, while concentration of N2 is 0.80, which can be written as 0.8 mole per, it can be written as 0.80 mole per liter, while that of O2 can be written as 0.20 mole per liter or 0.2 mole per liter. This was your condition initially. So 0.80 minus x can be taken as 0.8 minus x, 0.20 can be taken as 0.2 minus x. It will be 2x only. Now moving forward, we can say that Kc will be kept as 1 into 10 to the power minus 5, while NO will be 2x whole square, and that will be 0.80 minus ka x, and that of O2 will be 0.20 minus x. Now let us take that x is very small. At this condition, 0.80 minus x can be taken as approximately 0.8, while 0.20 minus x can be approximately taken as 0.2, or you can write 0.80 or 0.20. Now keeping this condition, in equation number first, we'll get 1 into 10 to the power minus 5, that will be 4x square upon 0.8 into 0.2. Now rearranging, it will be 4x square, that will be 0.8 into 0.2 into 10 to the power minus 5. Now after multiplying, we'll get 0.16 into 10 to the power minus 5, that will be 4x square. So x square will be 0.16 into 10 to the power minus 5 upon 4. Now after solving, we'll get 0.4 into 10 to the power minus 5, that will be x square. So x square will be 0.4 into 10 to the power minus 5. Now x square will be 4 into 10 to the power minus 6. So x will be under root of 4 into 10 to the power minus 6. It means x is equals to 2 into 10 to the power minus 3, which can be written as 0.002. Now we get the value of x. Now we have to find the concentration of NO, N2 and O2. So for N2, it is taken as 0.8 minus 0.002, which is from the given percentage is 0.8 minus x. So it will be 0.8 minus 0.002. So we can subtract it and get the answer. So it will be, suppose we take 0.8 and that is 0.002. So it will be that is 0.798 mole per liter. For O2, it will be 0.2 minus 0.002. So it can be taken as O2 will be taken as 0.2 minus 0.002. So it will be 0.2 and 0.002. So it will be 0.198. So this will be 0.198 mole per liter. And for NO, it will be 2x. So it will be 2 into 0.002. So it will be 0.004, or you can say 4 into 10 to the power minus 3 mole per liter. So in this way we can solve question based on chemical equilibrium. Thank you, Sanjay. You can ask more.